Hi there, my name is Karen Bickford. I am the owner and founder of the Cleaning Advantage. We have been operating in Central Mass since 2004. We do all residential cleaning. And I'm here to tell you today a little bit about my business. I'm not going to drone on about that we are the best cleaning service in the area, or that we are bonded and insured, or that we bring all of our own green cleaning supplies. We do all that, but so don't a lot of other cleaning services in the area. So I want to touch upon how our business is just a little bit different. We do a business model, what we refer to as the solo cleaning method of cleaning, meaning we send one person to your home every cleaning. And what does that mean for you? That means that you are going to get a very personalized cleaning, because if you have the same person in your home at every visit, they are going to get to know your home. They are going to get to know you. They're going to get to know your likes, your dislikes, and they are also going to get to know all the nuances of your home. So that is one benefit of having a solo cleaner in your home. The other benefit is the quality. The quality of cleaning tends to be better because they are at your home by themselves. So the home is their responsibility to make sure that everything has been done right. If it's not done right, they cannot blame it on a teammate. So that's a real plus. We find that the quality of cleaning is really good. The other thing is they tend to be in your home a little bit longer because they are there working by themselves. So they're able to tackle things that might not work well with a team, such as doing laundry, folding laundry, putting it away, organizing a pantry, that type of thing. So that works really well with the solo cleaning method. The other thing is that security is not really an issue, because if you're sending one person to clean the home and something in your home were to go missing, that person would be to blame. As opposed to working in a team, they could have 2 or 3 other people that they could blame that on. One of the most redeeming qualities that people really love is the arrival times. We can predict arrival times very accurately, because the solo cleaner only cleans 1 or 2 houses a day. So that means that they're either going to be there first thing in the morning, or they're going to be there in the early afternoon. So that's just a little bit about how we are different. I do want to touch a little bit upon the pandemic and how we're handling it. We have been back in business and open since May. For the last 6 months, and I am happy to report that we have not had any COVID illness with any of our employees, and none of the homes that we clean have had COVID illness. We are an essential, especially this time. Everything needs to be kept clean, and that's really it. So if you have any questions, or I would love to hear from you, you can reach me at 978-779-6646. Thank you.